Hello, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a presentation on Canva. Since we're already logged in, let's get started. First, click to sign up with your Google account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll see the Creative Design section. There are different options available, such as creating a logo, but today we need a presentation. You can search for presentation in the search bar. There are various sizes available, so choose the one that suits your needs. Next, you'll see different templates you can use. Some are free, while others are not. For this tutorial, I'll select one of the free templates. When you choose a template, you can apply all the pages by clicking Apply All Pages. Now, you can see the different pages of your presentation. The content depends on your topic, so you can change the text accordingly. For example, I'll change the title to My Presentation Topic and update the date to the current year. If there's a logo you don't need, simply delete it. You can add your website or any other relevant information in the placeholders. If you have specific content, review it with your team and make the necessary adjustments. There are various topics you can use for your presentation. For instance, I'll select the advantages of social media as my topic. You can write about the advantages, and if you need images, Canva makes it easy to add them. Just click and drag the images you need. When you're done, click Download and choose the PDF format. Once downloaded, you can see your simple yet effective presentation. You don't need to worry about the details. Just click the three dots, select Present, and press the space key to navigate through your slides. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.